sunshine skull. Enjoy.
The very first thing that I did is I started with a glue stick, and then I concealed my eyebrow just so it would be lighter underneath the white body paint, which I then covered my entire left side with. And I actually used the brand Snazaroo, so I went over a few times with it just so it's really opaque. It's a bit of a thin brand, but I really do like it for just going about large portions of skin. After that, I went in with the skull, drawing a line from the corner of my mouth going slightly up, not a lot, just very slightly. Going against that line, I went and I put in all these little teeth, basically. So I'm blocking out my teeth, and then I blocked out the jawline. I went right under my natural contour, and then I curved it up a little bit more too. So this is more of an S shape than it is. If you see a jawline, they're normally slightly more angular than this. I just wanted to give it a nice flow. For the eyelids, I used a gold body paint that I've just had for a very long time, and I decided that that would be one of the featured colors in this look. Taking the gold body paint that I used on my eyelid, I put it to fill in my teeth, kind of like gold teeth, and then the ones on the bottom I actually dragged down more, almost to look like petals, such as the one on my shirt. Going back in with the gold, as I said, I'm just going along my natural eyebrow. And then using that same gold body paint, I covered the other side. This side I actually wanted to be more sheer, so it looks more luminescent sparkling than the other side. And then just to fit the theme, I decided to go with white on the other side and then blended it. Using Jeffree Star's King Tut powder, I went back in and then I just kind of blended the face paint together with that, and then I used it actually as a setting powder on the gold side as well. Here I'm just doing the thing that I did on the other side, just making sure that both jaw lines are even. And then filling in those teeth with the white. These ones I almost wanted to be sharper and shorter as to show that they're real teeth and they don't symbolize any petals or anything like that, just teeth. Taking a generic purple eyeshadow, I went underneath the jawline that we just made and my under eyes to make me look dead. And then for the crack in the nose, I wanted it to look kind of like a flower petal actually, so I made it skinny, narrow, and a bit tall for what it would normally be for a normal skull. And then filled it in with gold. Lining my eyes, just doing a very basic winged liner. And then filling in the waterline underneath just to complete it. I have these glitters that A Devil's Kiss Red actually sent me. They are amazing. I'm taking the silver one, and then this one right here is called Movie Star. And I'm putting that on my other eyelid, as well as the gold part of the teeth and the little petal. And then back to the gold body paint. I am just doing it on my chest so that way it has something, it's not just a random weird skin tone in there. And then lashes that I found at Forever 21. You can get them pretty much anywhere, I think. And to be completely honest, the way that my eyes are right now, this is my everyday look if I actually want to wear makeup. I go heavy underneath the eyeliner, but here it is. Here is the look. I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to do all the like, commenting, and subscribing, and all that. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.